How are you? Um, we have something important to talk about this week. It is the end of the second week of February, and we are making a call to cash. It's important because we've now gone through the first full month of 2010, and we have gone through the first 2 weeks or the first half of February, and which is now officially the first half of the first quarter. Um, our forecasts of the market being triggered by 10.5, once it hit 10.5, that we'd see a precipitous drop down to the 9900 area, has come true, and it's been definitely a good forecast. But the market still actually should have some downside to it, and what we've seen over the past month and a half is all of the technicals and all of the fundamentals that are used by our indicators have not been working the way that they're supposed to work. This is evidenced when you see so much wrong in our forecasters. Our forecasters typically are not wrong as often and as much as they have been in the past month and a half, specifically the EOD and the dailies. When we see some type of a run like this, when it's consistent, and we see such a day over day inconsistency and incorrectness in the forecasters, it's a really big signal that something is going on that is not public, and I can't really speculate on more than that. I don't know what kind of thing that could be wrong. In the past, it's been many things. In the past, it's been political. It's been fundamental. It's had, credit crisis has happened, and this happened right before we had that. So what we're going to do is liquidate all of our positions, even if they're at loss right now. Over the next day, we started doing it today. We're going to do the rest tomorrow, and we are going to get to cash 100%. We may make some very small day trades just to keep it interesting while we're watching, but I feel, and our indicators are showing, the long-term indicators are showing that there's still more downside to go. We feel the 9,800 level definitely is something realistic. Maybe even could fall forward more. We could even see some more falling, like we had a couple of weeks ago, where we had 500-600 point drop in a matter of a couple of days. If the market continues to go up here at these levels, it'll even be worse. So what we're going to do is just hit the sidelines and wait. If it does go back up to the 10.4, 10.5 area, we're probably going to get short the market in general, because really fundamentally and technically speaking, with this market rising on such flimsy news and such flimsy information, when it really should be continuing and finishing its correction, it is not a position where I feel we should be in the stock market at all. So we're going to take our losses. There's going to be more money to be made in the second and third and fourth quarters, definitely the third and fourth quarters, but positioning ourselves later on this quarter is going to be something that we're going to be looking for entry points. So we're going to pull back and not be fully invested in the market as of tomorrow, as of close of business tomorrow, if not sooner. We might even do it, liquidate the rest in the morning, just because I feel like we might get a little push up in the morning. So anyhow, this is a call to cash. It's an alert, and hopefully you've had a good couple of weeks here where we've made some money. We've made more money than we expected to make in the first quarter and a half now. So we're going to pull back, sit in cash, and wait for an entry point, either short or long. But we're going to wait for an entry point and get ready to take advantage of the drop that is still 10,144 today as a close, and 1078 on the S&P, and 2177. These levels are too high. They're too high to justify them. Even after we've gone up and pulled back and gone up and then pulled back again, it's too high. The market should be in the 9,000s right now, mid to low, really. But even if we didn't get mid to low, I mean, 95, 96, 9,700, the market needs to see that before I'll feel comfortable that it's going to go back up, and I think we have some downside to go. So we are pulling out. Call to cash has been posted. Thank you for being a member and a follower. See your future, be your future, make your future with the